Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to continue with the lesson that is operations on fraction, and we are going to start a new concept from it that is multiplication of fractions. Okay, this is very simple and easy concept. So now let's start with it. For that I'll take an example. For example, 3 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 2. So here I have taken two fractions. What are those fractions? 3 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 2. When we are carrying out multiplication, children, we don't have to equalize the denominators. Yes, we just have to multiply numerator with other numerator and denominator with denominator. What we have to do? We have to carry out multiplication of numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Okay. So see, I'll show you. 3 is our first numerator and 1 is our next numerator, which we are going to multiply. Okay. Upon what is the denominator? 5 and 2. Yes or no? So, upon we are going to carry out 5 multiplied by 2. Yes. Now, 3 ones are 3 multiplied by 1 will give us 3 and 5 multiplied by 2 will give us 10. So, multiplication of these two fractions is equals to 3 upon 10. Got it? Is it very simple? So, see children, when multiplying two fractions, the product of the numerators is written in the numerator and that of the denominators in the denominator. So, product of numerators in the numerator and product of denominators in the denominator. Got it? Is it very simple? Now, we will take one more example. Okay. So, I am taking an example that is 2 upon 7 multiplied by 3 upon 8. Okay. So, now what is my example? 2 upon 7 multiplied by 3 upon 8. Now, students, if you will see the 2 which is in numerator and 8 which is in denominator, are they divisible by 2? Means, is this 2 and this 8, both of them, do they come in 2's table? Yes. So, see children, if the numbers from numerator and denominator, if they are coming in one table, or if they are divisible by one number, then you can do the cancellations here itself. Yes, first do the cancellation and then do the multiplication. Means, see here what I am explaining to you all. Now, numerator we have 2 and this fraction's denominator we have 8. Numerator and denominator 2 and 8 are divisible by 2. So, what will I do? Just see, I'll just write that fraction and take 2 multiplied by 3 upon 7 multiplied by 8. But before doing multiplication, I can see that 2 and 8 are divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Yes, so we can write it as, how can we write it? Yes. See, now what is remaining? 1 into 3 upon 7 into 4. That is nothing but 3 ones are 3, 7 fours are 28. So, we have brought it to simplest form. Okay. So, did you understand how to do such kind of multiplication? Yes. If you would not do this cancellation, what would happen? What would be your answer? 2 3s are 6, 7 8s are 56. 6 upon 56. Double of this you would get the answer. Yes or no? So, before doing multiplication, just see whether the numbers in numerator and denominator are divisible by each other or no. If they are divisible, just divide them and then do the multiplication. Got it, students? Yes, now I hope you have understood it. Take the screenshot and complete this notes of multiplication of fractions. Same way how I have written, write it down in your. Let us now begin with practice set 12, question 1, multiply. So our first sum is 7 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 4. So now let us solve this sum. Let us now begin with the first sum, that is 7 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 4. So we have already learned the rule of multiplication, that is we are multiplying numerators with numerators and writing its product in numerator, and denominator multiplied by denominator. Okay, so here I have written 7 into 1 upon 5 into 4. Now if we will see, children, then 7 and 5, 1 and 4. Okay, they do not come in each other's table. Yeah, even cross way, if you will check 1 and 5 or 7 and 4, they also do not come in each other's table. So we have to just carry out multiplication here. Is equals to 7 ones are 7, 5 fours are 20. So the multiplication of the fraction 7 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 4 equals to 7 upon 20. Direct multiplication, numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Now let's move on to the next second sum, that is 5 upon 9 multiplied by 4 upon 9. Okay, so now first we'll write numerator 5 multiplied by numerator 4. 9 into 9. These are the denominators. Okay, now again 5 and 9, 4 and 9. Are they coming in each other's table? No. Cross way will you check? Then no. So we will just carry out the multiplication. 5 fours are 20. 9 nines are 81. Yes. So see what you are going to write. 5 fours are 20 upon 9 nines are 81. So this is the multiplication of these two given fractions. Now we will see the third sum. It's very simple, children. What are our fractions? 9 upon 7 multiplied by 7 upon 8. So first we will multiply numerators and then we will multiply denominators. So I'll write down and take 9 into 7 upon 7 into 8. Now if you will see in numerator and in denominator, one number is same. What is that number? 7. It will get cancelled because it comes in 7's table. See, yeah, only it is because in numerator and denominator it is getting cancelled. Here you will see 9 and 9. Both are in denominator, so it will not get cancelled, it will get multiplied. But here what has happened? 1 7 is in numerator and other 7 is in denominator, so they will be divided. Okay, so here this sign, this whatever line you can see now horizontal, it is division. So both of them, if they get divided, they will get cancelled because both of them come in 7's table. 7 ones are 7 ones are. Okay, so how we will write 9 ones are and 1 eights are. You can increase one step. 9 into 1, 1 into 8. If you want, you write this step. Otherwise, directly write the answer. 9 ones are 9, 1 eights are 8. Got it? So this is how we have seen how to solve these three sums. So solve these three sums in your CW. Take a screenshot and write practice set 12, multiply and solve these three sums. You can solve side by side two sums. Don't solve three. Okay, in your CW, 1 and 2 side by side. Third sum you can take down. Adjust properly. Write in neat way. Okay. Let us now solve the further sums. So question number 4, which I have selected, that is 4 upon 11 multiplied by 2 upon 7. Yeah. So we will just write down and take here, that is first numerator multiplied by numerator upon denominator multiplied by denominator. So 4 into 2 upon 11 into 7. Now numerators and denominators, any number if you will check, it is not divisible by each other. Yes, 4 is not divisible by 11 and 7. 2 is also not divisible by 11 and 7. Same way, up from down we can check. So what we have to do? We have to just multiply. 4 2s are 8. So we'll write here is equals to 8. 11 7s are 77. Okay. So this is the multiplication of the fraction 4 upon 11 multiplied by 2 upon 7. Now let us move on to the fifth sum, that is 6 upon 17 multiplied by 3 upon 2. What is our sum? 6 upon 17 multiplied by 3 upon 2. First we will write down the numerator multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by denominator. So I have written here 6 multiplied by 3, 17 multiplied by 2. Now if you will see one number from numerator, that is 6, and other number from denominator, that is 2. Are they both divisible by 2? Yes or no? Do they come in 2's table? Yes. If we will say 2's table, then 2's table is common. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. What I am doing, see, I will show you once again. See here, which table are these two numbers divisible? 6 and 2. They come in 2's table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So you can see this 2 here and this 6 here, is it? So this 2's table we will consider common in mind. Now 2, how much are 2? See, this 2 is in mind. Okay, what am I doing? This 2 I will consider in mind. So this 2 we are having here. Yeah. So 2 1s are 2. Getting? 6 is there. 2 is in mind. So what we will write here? 3. Got it? So 2 3s are 6. Now, the same thing, if you want directly, you can multiply here. 3 3s are 9. Correct. What you can write here? Is equal to 3 3s are 9. 17 1s are 17. Okay. Got it? So just solve the sum. This part, this side part, whatever multiplication table I have written, no need to write. Okay, students. Now we will move on to our next sum, that is the sixth sum. So our sum is 6 upon 7 multiplied by 2 upon 5. So numerator is 6 multiplied by numerator 2 upon 7 into 5. So numbers in numerator and numbers in denominator, they are not divisible by each other. Okay, so we will directly do its multiplication. 6 2s are 12 and 7 5s are 35. So the answer is 12 upon 35. So now write down these three sums in your CW. Okay, so here in question 1 in practice set 12, we have 8 sums. From that I have solved 6 for you. So you will solve these 6 sums and check in the textbook. The 2 sums are remaining. That 2 sums you will solve after this 6 sum. Okay. Let us now begin with question number 2. Ashokrav planted bananas on 2 upon 7 of his field of 21 acres. What is the area of the banana plantation? So here the first given thing for us is that Ashokrav planted bananas on 2 upon 7 of his field of 21 acres. Here what are we understanding? We understand that Ashokrav is having a field. Yes, and area of his field is how much? 21 acres. Okay, so the total area of his field is 21 acres. In this 21 acres field, what is he doing? He is planting bananas. And in how much part did he plant bananas? On 2 upon 7 part. So we'll consider this as 2 upon 7. Okay. So just see on the screen. So on 2 upon 7 part of this field, what is he doing? Yes, he is doing banana plantation here. What plantation? Banana plantation. Okay. Now, just see here. These are the two given things for us. Yeah. Total area of field is equals to 21 acres and 2 upon 7 part he is doing banana plantation. Now what are they asking us to find out? What is the area of the banana plantation? So you have to find this area, means you have to find in acres. Yes. So first we will write the given thing from this. Okay. So here the given is part of field planted by bananas. What is that? 2 upon 7. So is equals to 2 upon 7. Second thing, what is given, that is 21 acres. What is that? Total area of field. Yeah. So second given, total area of field is equals to 21 acres. Now to find out what is the area of the banana plantation. So to find out area of the banana plantation. Solution, area of the banana plantation is equals to, what is that? 2 upon 7 of 21 acres. Yes or no? What it is actually, see here, I just write in rough. 2 upon 7 of 21 acres. Now how to write it while solving the sum? See, 2 upon 7 part is planted by bananas. Yes. Out of how much? 21 acres. So of means multiplication and 21 acres. Got it, students? Now, how to carry out the multiplication? We have already studied. So 2 upon 7 will write as it is. 21, how should we write? 21 upon 1. Whole number has denominator 1. So this 21 I have written as 21 upon 1. Now we have studied how to do multiplication. Yes or no? Numerator multiplied by numerator, denominator multiplied by denominator. So we will write here is equals to 2 into 21 upon 7 into 1. 2 into 21 is how much? 42 upon 7. Now, are these two numbers divisible by each other? Yes, 7 ones are and 7 six are. 42. Yes or no? All students, you can also do the cancellations at this step. See, 7 ones are and 7 threes are. Yes or no? Next. 2 threes are 6 and 1 ones are 1. You can write 6 upon 1 as 6. It is 6 acres. Got it? So what is our answer? Area of the banana plantation is equals to 6 acres. Now I am not having place here. So last statement I will write in this part. But you will write below this. Okay? How to write the last statement? Therefore, the area of the banana plantation is 6 acres. Underline this, 6 acres. Okay. So got it how to solve this sum? It's very simple. So now write it down in your CW. Take a screenshot and complete it. Okay. Once again I'll explain you this part. See, 2 upon 7 into 21 upon 1 is equals to 2 into 21 upon 7 into 1. Now if you will see, 21 from numerator and 7 from denominator are both coming in 7's table. So we have written 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. Then 2 threes are 6. 1 ones are 1. 6 upon 1 is nothing but 6. So we have got answer as 6 acres. So did you understand the solution of this question too? So now write it down in neat handwriting in your CW. Let us now begin with the third sum. This is one of the important sum. Okay. Of the total number of soldiers in our army, 4 upon 9 are posted on the northern border. Means what are they telling us? From the total number of soldiers whoever are there in our country, okay, from that 4 upon 9, where are they posted? They are posted in on the northern border, okay, and one third means what? 1 upon 3, 1/3 of them on the northeastern border, okay. If the number of soldiers in the north is 5,40,000, how many are posted in the northeast? So see on the screen here, I'll explain you. Suppose these are the soldiers from northern border. Okay, what are these? These are the soldiers from northern border. From that they are saying what is the total number of them? You can see here. Total number of soldiers is 5,40,000. From them 4 upon 9 are in the northern part and 1/3. Northern part means this only, na? Yes or no? These are northern soldiers only and this is also northern part. But from them 1/3 are placed in northeast. Then they are asking actually how much number of soldiers are posted at northeast. Did you understand here? See, from the total number of soldiers whoever are present in our army, from them 4 upon 9 are posted in northern border. 1/3 means 1 upon 3 are posted in northeast border. If the number of soldiers in the north, means if this total number of soldiers in the north is 5,40,000, how many are posted in northeast? Means this 1 upon 3 fraction, it is given in fraction. We have to find it in number. How to find it? Let's see. First we will write the given. So given is soldiers posted on northern border. How much they are? 4 upon 9. So is equals to 4 upon 9. Next, soldiers posted on northeastern border. Northeastern border, how many? 1/3. That is equals to 1 upon 3. And then they have given number of soldiers. So, total number of soldiers is equals to 5,40,000. Okay. Now, what we have to find out? To find out number of soldiers posted in the northeast. So, this is number of soldiers posted in north. From that, this is northeast. Yeah. So, how they have given? We have to find out 1 upon 3 part of total number of soldiers. Yes or no? That means 1 upon 3 into 5,40,000. Yes. So see what we are going to write here. So now we will see the solution. Number of soldiers posted in the northeast. We have to find out. Yes or no? So number of soldiers in the northeast is equals to 1 upon 3 of total number of soldiers. Yeah. So how to write this? We will write this is equals to 1 upon 3 of means multiplication. And total soldiers is how much? 5,40,000. Yes or no? Now, if you will see children, 5,40,000 we can write as 1 upon 3 multiplied by 5,40,000 upon 1. Now, is 5,40,000 in numerator and 3 is in denominator. So, if you will just neglect the zeros, just look what is remaining, 54 and 3. Are these two numbers divisible by each other? Yes. 3 18s are 54. So, can we write here in this way? See, 3 1s are 3, 3 18s are 54. And what number of zeros remaining? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what will be the number? 1,80,000. So now if we will multiply 1 into 1,80,000, we will have the same number. What is that? 1,80,000. Yes or no? Then 1 into 1 is 1. So the answer will remain only 1,80,000. Yeah. So we can write, therefore, number of soldiers posted in the northeast is 1,80,000. Got it? So this is the solution for sum number 3. And here we have finished our practice set 12. I hope you have understood it. So take the screenshot and complete it. And this rough work means whatever I have explained you this side, no? This red and blue pen, that you will not write in your CW. Remaining other all thing you are going to write in your CW and complete the practice set 12 in neat and good handwriting.